Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Which school are you from?
The kids. With preschool.
So, kids, I am Dr. Ankur Roy and I am a child specialist. So, a child specialist doctor sees and treats all ailments related to children. Okay? Do you wish to ask anything to me? Yes? Okay. So, one by one, you can start asking whatever you want to me. Right?
हम हाथ क्यों धोते हैं?
हम हाथ इसलिए धोते हैं क्योंकि जब हम अलग अलग चीजों को टच करते हैं तो हमारे हाथ में वायरसेस और बैक्टीरियाज आ जाते हैं। तो इसलिए वो जब अगर हमारे पेट में चले गए तो हमको पेट का दर्द, उल्टी, सर्दी, खांसी ऐसी बीमारी हो सकती हैं। तो इसलिए हैंड वॉश इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और एटलीस्ट हैंड सैनिटाइजेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
Why do we cut our nails?
So nails also they accumulate dust and dirt in them. Okay, and when we eat from those hands, we always pose a risk to our body for different kind of infections. So to keep infections away, we need to clip our nails also.
कितने बार करते हैं ब्रश?
बच्चों हमको दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करना चाहिए कम से कम। हाँ, एक तो सुबह उठने के बाद और एक बार खाना खा के और सोने के पहले।
हाँ, तो कितनी देर टीवी देखना चाहिए?
टीवी बेटा हमको बहुत कम देखना है। सो आप बच्चे जो हो 2 to 6 years of एज में हमको नॉट मोर देन 1 hour per day, इससे ज्यादा नहीं देखना। और जितना कम देखें उतना अच्छा है। जितनी कम देर एक बार में देखें उतना अच्छा है। स्क्रीन जितनी हमसे दूर हो उतना अच्छा है।
Want you to tell the students that which tools do you use to check the patients and the kids?
Okay, so first of all, kids, do you see a weighing machine in here?
Yes.
This is used to have an idea आपका कितना weight है. Okay? Now there is a stadiometer also. So we check height by a stadiometer. We fix our legs, we fix our hips and our shoulders with the back, and then we see at the front, and then we see our height in centimeters. Then a very important instrument, this is
What
called
is
as
this? What is this?
Yes, a stethoscope. So this helps us examine your chest. Okay, this is called as an otoscope. See, this is an otoscope. So an otoscope helps us in examining your ear canal. Okay, then this is a torch. Torch is used to examine your throat, teeth and your nose. Okay, this is, what is this called as? Do you know this? This is called as a pulse oximeter. This checks the level of oxygen in your body. Yes. So these are the most commonly used tools in our day-to-day practice. Bye.